Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today requirements are simple. Install haproxy on the LBR server. Route traffic from port 80 to the app servers running on port 8086. Make sure we don't break the default stats config. Let's log into the load balancer server using SSH. Once we are in, I'm going to switch to the root user, so have full permissions for the installation. Now, let's grab the package. We'll use him to install haproxy. The -y flag just says yes to all prompts, so we don't have to wait. Installation is done. Now for the tricky part, the configuration. I'm opening the default config file. I need to scroll down to the backend app section. I'm adding my application server IPS and making sure to change the port to 8086, as specified in the task. This tells haproxy where to send the traffic. Second, per the task, the load balancer needs to listen on the default HTTP port. Let's enable and start the service. We got an error. This happens. Don't panic. The best way to fix this is to check the logs. I'm running journalctl to see exactly why it failed, reading through the logs here. Let's jump back into the config file. I forgot to comment out that line. Let's try that service restart one more time. No errors means it's running. Let's check the status of the service for sure. It is enabled and active. So, we are good to go. Let's hit check on the task. I'm clicking the static cap button to verify the website loads and its work. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 2 tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.